In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your laptop screen keeps flickering. So if you're having any display issues such as flickering or your screen going on and off, then to go and fix this, we first need to open up the Start menu, go and search for Settings, and then click on this window here. In the left-hand side, click on Windows Update, and the first thing you want to do is ensure that your system is fully up to date. So we're going to press this Check for Updates button, and if any updates are found, you'll need to go and install these now. Now once you've done this, you can come back over to Settings and click on System in the left hand side. You can then select Display, and then we're going to scroll down to Scale and Layout. Now for the scale, you need to make sure this is set to the recommended amount. So for my computer, that's 150. For the display resolution, you also need to make sure this is set to recommended. You can see it will say recommended next to the one you need to use for your display. You then need to scroll down to Advanced Display and click on this. Scroll down to Choose a Refresh Rate and click on the drop down arrow. And typically you want to make sure your refresh rate is at the highest number possible. If you are experiencing screen flickering, you can actually try reducing this to a lower number. So for example, I could go and set mine to 60 Hz instead, and you can check to see if that goes and solves your issue. Now, if it's still not working, open up the Start menu and search for Device Manager and click on this window. Click on the drop down arrow next to Display Adapters, and then right click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. You can then press Browse My Computer for drivers, select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and I'd recommend trying to use the top one to begin with. So for me, that's the AMD graphics at the top, and then you can go and press Next. If for some reason this doesn't work, you can always try the one below as well. So once you've done all of these steps, you'll need to restart your computer, and that should have now fixed any flickering screen issues. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.